Hey, this is Erica with WTI, and these are my new best friends in the kitchen, the OXO 3-piece Good Grips Silicone Utensil Set. These have been an absolute game changer in the kitchen. I love the flexible edges. They allow you to really get in under the food. They allow you to easily scoop, flip, and stir. I was so impressed with how well the ladle was able to really clean out the pan that I was using. It got every last bit of food in the pan. If you don't have a dishwasher and you need to hand wash them, everything just slides right off, but they're also dishwasher safe, and they have a non-slip grip. They have a flexible edge, but as you work down the utensil, it becomes firmer and very solid. So you're really getting the best of both worlds, flexibility and solid construction. I'm so impressed with my OXO 3-piece silicone utensil set. I absolutely love it, and I think that it's definitely something that every home cook should have in their house. And that's my point of view.